Food asks to be met with presence. It arrives with the kitchen light on the table. It travels through your hands and your breath. There was a time. Hunger is a teacher, not a verdict. The body speaks in flavors and signals. You learn to listen to the first whisper of fullness. The plate becomes a map, not a prize. Eating becomes a practice, not a habit. There is room between bite and breath. The world outside feeds your hunger in small ways. You taste the soil of your choices. Local, simple, kind. In this growing awareness, meals slow you down. You notice where haste breaks care. You notice what you touch before you taste. The mind learns to pause at the fork. The eyes soften, the shoulders relax. There is a quiet ritual in chewing and savoring. You notice textures, grain, leaf, fruit, protein without judgment. The body teaches tempo, chew, rest, breathe. Hunger and fullness become guiding threads. You begin to choose foods that honor both body and soil. You choose less waste, more care, more season. A mindful bite becomes a doorway to gratitude. Meals become conversations with the day, with others. You eat not for escape, but for presence. The kitchen becomes a small temple of attention. Your table invites silence that nourishes. You notice a memory in a spoon's curve, a scent in the steam. The act of cooking teaches you patience. The act of sharing teaches you humility. There is weight in restraint, and warmth in restraint. Let your meals be clear invitations to yourself. Let slow meals gather into lasting ease. Let hunger be a guide, not a burden. Let ordinary foods reveal their quiet abundance. Let your attention travel with your meal. Let your life become a practice of nourishment. Let your choices echo care for land, hands, and neighbor. Let your curiosity about flavor lead to curiosity about you. The table becomes a compass for a gentler day. The body remembers how to listen when meals are honored. This is how you learn your true appetite. This is how you remember you belong to the world you feed. This is how you arrive at yourself again. If you listen, food speaks in a language of care. If you slow, life returns to its natural pace. If you taste with curiosity, you become more awake. The day and the body and the earth align. This is a path you walk with steady feet. There is no triumph here, only presence. The life you nourish nourishes the life around you. The quiet table holds a world of belonging. May your next bite be this open question. May your next bite be a doorway to self-discovery. May you eat with intention and listen for your own truth. And may you carry that listening into every choice. This is how you live with attention. This is how you become more you. This is the path of food as conscious care. The Life Saga app waits for your next noticing.